Hi, I'm Kristina Wesley, and I'm joined today by Jessica Kask. Welcome to our series where we talk about exciting topics related to cleaning in the manufacturing and packaging environments. We will share some of the questions and concerns that we address regularly when working with someone on selecting a cleaning agent or developing a cleaning process. Our topic for today is, if I want to improve cleaning, it comes with an increased cost. Jessica, how do you typically respond to a question like this? I can see how this would be a concern for people and maybe lead them to continue to use the wrong detergent and the wrong cleaning process.
Thanks, Kristina. That's a great question. When thinking about the cost of cleaning, you have to consider more than the cost of your detergent. You have to take into consideration things like the downtime of your equipment and the time it takes to disassemble and reassemble parts, the cost of personnel, and the time and cost of revalidation. By choosing a cleaning agent that's formulated to target your specific residues and optimizing your cleaning process, you can actually increase cleaning efficiency. Oftentimes you'll find that with the correct detergent and process, you'll be able to get clean in one step versus having to re-clean and run multiple cleaning cycles. With process optimization, there's also the chance that you may be able to remove disassembly and reassembly of parts. And also here at Dober, we can help transfer in validation methods for our detergents that we've already developed to make that process a little bit shorter and save you the time and cost of an extensive revalidation project.
Wow, Jessica, thank you. It seems like there are many costs associated with developing a cleaning process or changing a cleaning agent, but some of them may actually be beneficial and lead you to more improvements in the long run. To hear more of our cleaning process questions and concerns discussed, we encourage you to like us or follow us and visit us on our resource page at dober.com/Chematic.